If you stop eating added sugar right now, by this time tomorrow, your body will begin to change. But be warned, before it gets better, it gets harder. You will face withdrawal, you will face cravings, but by day 14, you won't recognize yourself. This is the 5-minute Dr. AI timeline of what happens when you quit sugar for 2 weeks. Day 1 to 3, the withdrawal, the hard part. First, let's talk about the first 72 hours. This is the danger zone. Sugar triggers dopamine in your brain, just like a drug. When you cut it, your dopamine levels drop. You will feel irritable. You might get a headache. You will want a donut. Dr. AI fact, this isn't hunger. This is addiction leaving the body. Drink water. Add electrolytes. Push through. Day 4 to 7, the energy shift. By day 4, the magic starts. The afternoon crash disappears. Normally, sugar spikes your insulin, crashing your energy by 3 p.m. Without sugar, your blood glucose stabilizes. You stop feeling tired after lunch. Your brain fog clears. Also, look in the mirror. By day 7, the puffiness in your face starts to vanish. This isn't fat loss yet. This is water weight. Insulin makes you hold water and sodium. Lower insulin means the excess water is flushed out. Day 10, the skin and gut repair. Your skin looks different. Sugar causes glycation, a process where sugar binds to proteins and destroys collagen. Less sugar means less inflammation, less acne, and tighter skin. Inside your stomach, the bad bacteria that feed on sugar are starving and dying off. Your bloating goes away. Your digestion resets. Day 14, the fat-burning machine. Welcome to day 14. Your body has now switched fuel sources. Because you haven't flooded your liver with sugar, your body is finally forced to access its stored energy. You are now burning your own body fat for fuel. This is called being fat-adapted. You have lost weight. You are sharper, and surprisingly, you don't even crave the candy bar anymore. Quitting sugar is the single fastest upgrade you can give your body. But diet is only 50% of the equation. The other 50% is recovery. If you aren't sleeping right, quitting sugar won't save you. In the next video, I will show you the military method to fall asleep in 2 minutes flat. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This is 5-Minute Dr. AI.